4-bedroom show house here at Azure Sky Park in Syokimau. The size of the 4-bedroom units is 189.64 square meters. The units are on sale for only 19 million Kenya shillings. And the payment plan is very flexible. You only need to deposit 20% and pay the rest in installments for 6 months. The construction is ongoing and the expected completion date is December 2025, this year that is. While at the sitting room area, you get to have a wonderful view of Nairobi National Park through the large glass window. All the bedrooms are well ventilated, and the master bedroom also comes with a beautiful and spacious balcony area where you can as well enjoy the view of the national park. And now let's take a tour and see. And this is a 4-bedroom unit here at Azure Sky Park in Syokimau. This is one of the largest units you can find around, just adjacent to Nairobi National Park, very strategically located. Just beyond is where we have Nairobi National Park, and as you can see, right from within your sitting room, you can simply open the curtain and have a look at the wild animals wandering just right at the Nairobi National Park. The size of this unit is 189.6 square meters, one of the largest you can find around, and it is on sale for only 19 million Kenya shillings. And the developer has given out a very flexible payment plan where you only need to put in a deposit of 20%. 20% of 19 million translates to about 3.8 million Kenya shillings only, and stagger the rest for the rest of the construction period. And the project is on course and due for completion by December this year, 2025. By December, you will get to have your unit ready and enjoy your stay here. Azure Sky Park in Syokimau, one of the best developers you can find around. As you can see in the other tours we have done, the units are neatly done, very well fitted, and all the units come with fitted kitchen appliances, as you note in the other units that we did. When you are in this unit, you have all the options. You can use the put the dining room next to the kitchen. The ventilation is quite proper. This is now the path leading to the laundry area, just next to the kitchen, just at the corner. And one thing to note is the windows, the large windows, that when you want to have a nice view outside, you don't need to go beyond the outside the apartment. You only need to open the curtain. And one thing I like about Azure Sky, about this development is the fact that now take note of the fact that all this wall has been replaced by large glass window for maximum view. When you want to catch a glimpse of something happening outside, you only need to open the curtain. You need to go outside the unit. And one magnificent thing to note, just as you can see, right there, that is the Nairobi National Park. You will see as we run the videos, and the unit is good. Now, let's take a look at one of the bedrooms and just see how they look like. Azure Sky, Syokimau, 4-bedroom, 19 million, deposit 20%, clear balance in 6 months. Let's take a look. And now this is the path leading to master bedroom. Let's just take a tour and see. Wow, magnificent. This is the master bedroom for the 4-bedroom unit here. You have the provision for the TV area. This is where, in the living room itself, in the bedroom itself, you can choose to mount your TV. This is a very comfy unit, and this is the bedroom itself still comes with a balcony for maximum view. And as you can see, everywhere is a glass window for maximum view. Beyond is where we have Nairobi National Park. Most of the time, you need an outdoor activity, you need to go to nature, but now from within your bedroom, you get to view Nairobi National Park. And If you have a telescope, you can actually catch a glimpse of a wild animal wandering beyond. This is the master bedroom for the 4-bedroom unit. It comes with a lot of storage here. You can choose what to keep here. Everything, shoe brush, everything here, comb, and then you can sometimes just mount your TV there. And now this side is where we have the washroom area. Wow, just look at the closet itself. The closet, as we said, are standardized, but still have the maximum storage capacity. You can put in a lot of bags. There are a lot of luggage. You can just open and put in more items, and still more provision for more storage this side. A lot of cabinetries here. You can just pull the drawers and choose what to keep there. And now inside, now this is where we have the toilet area. The toilet area, just have a look. The toilet area, very spacious. You can see it comes with how many sinks? Two sinks and a large mirror where you just want to take a look at yourself before you get outside for an activity. And then this is the shower area. And then ultimately, when the unit is done, now we'll have, just like the other units, we'll have a glass wall here, a glass cubicle rather, to separate the toilet and the shower area, so that at no point in time will we have spillage of water when using the shower area. And still there is more window for maximum light here for aeration. One thing that stands out is the fact that in all the units you will have either a large glass door or a large glass window for maximum outside view. 5x6 bed here. You have very nicely put bedside table there, and sockets everywhere. You can be spending a night here and then charging your phone there. And then you have the study lamps just rest next to the bed, and you have the wooden tiling that has been done here for efficiency when it comes to cleaning the unit. Azure Sky 4-bedroom apartment, 19 million deposit, 20% clear balance in 6 months. Pay only 3.8, spread the rest until December 2025.